Good morning, my wonderful friends in Bilbao. Thank you very much for the chance to work with you. Thank you for Maestro Villaplana, Jose Villaplana, my wonderful friend, for the invitation in the past and the great friendship and collegiality. I know these are difficult times for all of us because we are performers and we can't perform. But why don't we use this time for personal development, personal accumulation, playing those pieces that you never had time, read those poetry and literature that you never had time. And after that, when we are together and we again have the chance to perform together and practice together, we will appreciate every minute even more, and we will appreciate the chance to be a musician, to perform and be an artist for the society, making people better, because music makes people better. Thank you for your friendship. Thank you for your connections. And let's hope that in the future we will still have the chance to work together again. Regards from Laszlo.